Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to turn on developer option in your Samsung Galaxy A22. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this phone and you are wondering how to turn on developer option. It's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, it is scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say about phone. After click over about phone, you're going to find here screen appear just like this. You need to click here software information. After click over software information, you need to click here base version, and under that you're going to find here something say build number. From here you have to press 7 times to turn on developer option. You can see now it's in developer mode has been turned on. If I go back completely and now if I go again open my settings section and if I scroll all the way down, you're going to see right now my phone has turned on developer option. So within this way you can easily turn on developer option in your Samsung Galaxy A22. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.